Hey guys, I've got a Trelock today. It is a Potti314 lock. Hopefully you can see that. Let me flip it over and show you the keyway. So you got the pins on the sitting on the warding on the right hand side as you're looking at it. Let me grab a pick. So yeah, you can sort of see. Sorry. You can see the warding there, and it's literally they are sat right on top. See, they're really hard to move, even when it's not under tension. This first one is a nightmare. So yeah, it's just an awkward lock from start to finish. This is. I did wonder if I would ever pick it. I will be honest, but I have. Right, here is the key. So that's just to add to the fun, that is. Right, top of the keyway, and a Peterson 3.5. Oh, and yeah, if you're ever polishing your picks, be careful not to stick them through your finger. Right, okay, so Peterson 3.5. And this first pin is really awkward. You gotta, I'm not actually putting any tension on at the moment. Gotta get it moving. As soon as you've got that one moving, you can't even get it moving without any tension under it. There we go, got it. Okay, so put a bit of tension. Right, there we go, click. Now hopefully I can go. Honest to God. Little idiosyncrasies this lock has, it's unbelievable. Okay, click on 3. I don't know what's in 3. Oh, there's a set screw in 3 on the Bible. So it's been tampered with. When I said tampered, I mean that in a good way. So click on 4. So yeah, I don't know what's in number 3. I cannot tell. It feels like a pin, not a screw or anything like that. I think Michael did say a screw to me. He was winding me up, but I don't think it's a screw. But it doesn't feel like a normal pin either. He's trying to get in my head, I think. It worked. Okay, that was a bit on 5, then 3. Okay, 1 was down again. There we are. Okay, I overset 2. That's not good. There we go. I got it back. Yeah, that was a bit on 4. Hey, open on 5. Nice. Cool. Let's have a look what's inside this thing. Finally. Okay. Oh, and while I'm doing a Potti lock, I got a Potti present. I've been after one of these for ages. We saw Dirk's, and we were both like, "Oh, we want one of those. We want one." And finally, he got a couple, and has sent me one because he knew I was after one. So thank you ever so much, mate. I really appreciate that. It's a thing of beauty, really, really is. I might just use it. I don't need to use it, but I might just use it. Should I use it? No, I might need to adjust that thing. I won't use it for this one. Though we do have holes on the back of this. Tell you what, I will set that up, but I'm going to use my old one for now. Okay, so number 1 is a standard. 2 is a standard, it's a long one. 3 is a little one. They look like copper pins actually. 4 is a standard. And 5 is a standard. Wow, they're very long. Let's have a look at that. Okay, so we've got some threading in number 5. And that is it. Curious. Curiouser and curiouser. Okay, so the moment of truth. Right, spool in 1, only just reaching the shear line. Spool in 2, a bit stronger and a bigger spring. Ah, oh, ooh! Oh, it might have been a screw originally. No, it was some sort of pin. But yeah, it did. It felt weird. It really did. It's like a piece of a chessboard. We've got a spool in 4. And we have got sort of a little serrated in 5. That's a ditty little thing. Okay, my shear line is at the top. Oh, you pillock. I got it. Well, at least it was on camera. Phew, sorry about that, guys. But yeah, we got it eventually. We just shine some light on it. Okay, so down the bottom, they're a bit higgledy-piggledy, but there we are. And then up the top, we've got a spool, this crazy chess piece thing. It's on the roof. It's actually got serrated bits and spool bits on it. So yeah, very interesting pin that, Michael. And we've got another spool and a little serration on the end of that one there. And in the Bible, while we're at it, because I know there was something done in number 3. Yeah. Do you know what? I don't think there is, unless it's right at the top. Right at the top here, it could be. But there's nothing down the bottom. But I may investigate that a little bit further. But anyway, I'm rambling on long enough. Thank you ever so much, guys, for watching. Beautiful lot, Michael. Thank you ever so much for that, and this thing of beauty as well. Glad to get this one out of my to be picked pile. That was a lot of fun and very tricky. I'm kind of glad that there was nothing more done to the core or these pins down here, because that was a super tricky. Oh, right. So these being copper were probably the reason that they were slippy. I suppose it would be, and there's a hell of a point on the bottom of that. Very interesting pick, that. Really nice, very enjoyable. Right, thanks guys ever so much. Take it easy. Catch you all very soon. Be good.